Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Hotel Hideaway for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, we're not exactly rich, but when we press this button, we can modify unlimited diamonds to our account. So I'm just going to wait for it to go up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, this is the diamonds right here. It's really bad. So hopefully it starts going up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, guys, this is the diamonds. So hopefully it starts going up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, there go the diamonds. So if you guys are broke, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download Hotel Hideaway modded version. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com. So this is like the website with the Hotel Hideaway hack. So type it in, go ahead and press install. Now before this downloads, it's going to be a verification you have to do. So this is 100% free. It's from official app store. So basically you got to download the two apps from the list, and then that will put the Hotel Hideaway modded version into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and load. So let's just see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it is loading up. So now it's just gonna say like missing files or something. So we just gotta download some of these apps. So we got like Mode Casino, Travel Town says reach level 9. So this one's a game. So I just press continue. Play this till I'm level 9. So just make sure you do a couple of these. You're gonna be all set. So as you can see, we got Mode Casino, TikTok. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple, but I'm gonna see you guys later. So yeah, peace out, my gang.